Number 10. Sharks. Sharks are also known as dogfish. In 2006, the International Shark Attack File undertook an investigation into 96 alleged shark attacks, confirming 62 of them as unprovoked attacks and 16 as provoked attacks. The average number of fatalities worldwide per year between 2001 and 2006 from unprovoked shark attacks is 4.3. Contrary to popular belief, only a few sharks are dangerous to humans. Out of more than 470 species, only 4 have been involved in a significant number of fatal, unprovoked attacks on humans: the great white, oceanic white type, tiger, and bull sharks. These sharks are large, powerful predators, and may sometimes attack and kill people. Despite being responsible for attacks on humans, they have all been filmed without using a protective cage. Number 9. Ants. Ants are eusocial insects of the family Formicidae and, along with the related wasps and bees, belong to the order Hymenoptera. Ants appear in the fossil record across the globe in considerable diversity during the latest early Cretaceous and early late Cretaceous, suggesting an earlier origin. Ants evolved from Vespoid wasp ancestors in the Cretaceous period, and diversified after the rise of flowering plants. More than 12,500 of an estimated total of 22,000 species have been classified. They are easily identified by their elbowed antennae and the distinctive node-like structure that forms their slender waists. Number 8. Bees and wasps. Wasps are more aggressive since they are usually predators. Unlike a bee, a wasp can easily be provoked. Sometimes it can sting you while trying to brush it away. The stinger of a wasp is smooth and easily comes out of the skin. When a wasp sees danger to it or the nest, it releases pheromones that alert its family, who will then come out and attack the person who has hurt it. Neither wasps nor bees are generally aggressive. The only time they will aggressively try to sting you is if they are being closely handled against the skin, stepped on, or are defending their colonies or nests. There is a wide range of the intensity of a sting. For example, sweat bees have very mild stings, and males of some bee species may appear aggressive but are completely unable to sting. Honeybee stingers, while they can only sting once, can be nasty because they are barbed and remain in the skin with a venom sac attached. The ones to really watch out for are bumblebees and all wasps because they can sting multiple times, and their stingers do not detach and embed in skin. Number 7. Deer. Deer are the hoofed ruminant mammals forming the family Cervidae. The two main groups of deer are the Cervini, including the muntjac, the elk, wapiti, the fallow deer, and the cheetal, and the capreolini, including the reindeer, caribou, the roe deer, and the moose. Female reindeer, and male deer of all species except the Chinese water deer, grow and shed new antlers each year. In this they differ from permanently horned antelope, which are part of a different family, Bovidae, within the same order of even-toed ungulates, Artiodactyla. Number 6. Elephants. Elephants are mammals of the family Elephantidae and the largest existing land animals. 3 species are currently recognized: the African bush elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. Elephantidae is the only surviving family of the order Proboscidea. Extinct members include the mastodons. The family Elephantidae also contains several now extinct groups, including the mammoths and straight-tusked elephants. African elephants have larger ears and concave backs, whereas Asian elephants have smaller ears, and convex or level backs. Distinctive features of all elephants include a long trunk, tusks, large ear flaps, massive legs, and tough but sensitive skin. The trunk, also called a proboscis, is used for breathing, bringing food and water to the mouth, and grasping objects. Tusks, which are derived from the incisor teeth, serve both as weapons and as tools for moving objects and digging. The large ear flaps assist in maintaining a constant body temperature as well as in communication. The pillar-like legs carry their great weight. Number 5. Hippos. The hippopotamus, also called the common hippopotamus, is a large, mostly herbivorous, semi-aquatic mammal and ungulate native to sub-Saharan Africa. It is one of only 2 extant species in the family Hippopotamidae, the other being the pygmy hippopotamus, Coeropsis liberiensis or Hexaprotodon liberiensis. The name comes from the ancient Greek for river horse, pi omicron pi tau alpha mu omicron. After the elephant and rhinoceros, both of which are found in Africa, the hippopotamus is the 3rd largest type of land mammal and the heaviest extant artiodactyl. Despite their physical resemblance to pigs and other terrestrial even-toed ungulates, the closest living relatives of the Hippopotamidae are cetaceans, whales, dolphins, porpoises, etc., from which they diverged about 55 million years ago. Number 4. Crocodiles. Crocodiles, subfamily Crocodilidae, or true crocodiles are large semi-aquatic reptiles that live throughout the tropics in Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Australia. Crocodilidae, all of whose members are considered true crocodiles, is classified as a biological subfamily. A broader sense of the term crocodile, Crocodilidae that includes Tomistoma, is not used in this article. The term crocodile here applies to only the species within the subfamily of Crocodilidae. The term is sometimes used even more loosely to include all extant members of the order Crocodilia, which includes the alligators and caimans, the gharial and false gharial, and all other living and fossil crocodilomorpha. Number 3. Dogs. Their long association with humans has led dogs to be uniquely attuned to human behavior, and they are able to thrive on a starch-rich diet that would be inadequate for other canids. Dogs vary widely in shape, size, and colors. They perform many roles for humans, such as hunting, herding, pulling loads, protection, assisting police and military, companionship, and, more recently, aiding disabled people and therapeutic roles. This influence on human society has given them the sobriquet of man's best friend. Number 2. Centipedes. Centipedes are elongated metameric creatures with 1 pair of legs per body segment. Most centipedes are generally venomous and can inflict painful bites, injecting their venom through pincer-like appendages known as forcipules. Despite the name, centipedes can have a varying number of legs, ranging from 30 to 354. Centipedes always have an odd number of pairs of legs. Therefore, no centipede has exactly 100 legs. Similar to spiders and scorpions, centipedes are predominantly carnivorous. Number 1. Snakes. Snakes are elongated, legless, carnivorous reptiles of the suborder Serpents. Like all other squamates, snakes are ectothermic, amniote vertebrates covered in overlapping scales. Many species of snakes have skulls with several more joints than their lizard ancestors, enabling them to swallow prey much larger than their heads with their highly mobile jaws. To accommodate their narrow bodies, snakes' paired organs, such as kidneys, appear one in front of the other instead of side by side, and most have only one functional lung. Some species retain a pelvic girdle with a pair of vestigial claws on either side of the cloaca.